In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is we're going to go to the dialer app in the bottom left corner, the phone app. Make sure you are on the dialer section and you're going to type in *#06 and finally pound. That's going to show us the IMEI. You'll need to write down that first number at the top there. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. Once you've written that down, let's hit the home button. And now we're going to go to Google Chrome or go to the internet. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, Samsung, and then the model is going to be, so go under Galaxy Z. So there's a lot of Galaxies on here. So scroll down all the way to Z Flip 4. And then we're going to tap unlock now. And then you're done. That's it. Just kidding. On the next page, we'll answer a few more questions about where we purchased the phone. So purchase this phone in the United States, and the carrier is going to be AT&T. We're going to hit next. Now on this page, we'll need to enter our contact information along with the IMEI, which is the number we got in the first step of the video. So here you'll put the IMEI, your full name, and a contact number to reach you. And as you scroll down further, it'll show you the normal price to unlock this phone, $45, and their price, which is going to be $30. So you always get a discount through their website. We're going to then tap the order now button, and you'll check out, you'll pay, and as we can see here, it'll take about 24 hours for you to get a reply email from them that's going to have the final unlocking instructions. Keep in mind that unlocking each phone is different and the process does change from time to time. So that's why you submit your order and then they follow up with an email that gives you the final steps. Now, a couple of things that are going to happen. Once you get that email, you will need to have a SIM card for the new service you want to use the phone with. So I'm going to be switching it to T-Mobile. And you'll need to find the box that your phone came with and find your SIM tool. This is what you're going to use to take out the old SIM card and put in your new SIM card. I want to show you a few other important things. So if we go back to the top of the website, you will see a phone number where you can reach out to customer service if you run any challenges. There's also a number you can text 24 hours to follow up on your orders. And if you go back to the main page of the website, there is a money back guarantee if for some reason they're unable to get your phone unlocked. So I love the fact that the site has a guarantee, which is one of the reasons why I recommend it. And at this point, you'll just need to submit your order, wait that 24 hours, get your final unlocking instructions, follow those last few steps, and boom, your phone will be unlocked. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.